Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to learn in Unit 2, Let's Play. The theme for today's lesson is What's your favorite toy? We start the lesson objective. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to say the correct adjectives and describe about toys using correct adjectives. Let's start. Before that, let's refresh. What's this? It's a boat. How do you spell boat? B-O-A-T. It's a big boat. Is it correct? No. It's a small boat. What's this? Train. It's a train. How do you spell train? T-R-A-I-N. Train. It's a long train. Yes, that's correct. What's this? Kite. It's a kite. How do you spell kite? K-I-T-E. Kite. It's a new kite. No. It's an old kite. Yes. What's this? Doll. It's a doll. How do you spell doll? D-O-L-L. It's an ugly doll. Yes. What's this? Bike. It's a bike. How do you spell bike? B-I-K-E. It's an old bike. No. It's a new bike. Yes. What's this? Train. It's a train. How do you spell train? T-R-A-I-N. Train. It's a small train. Yes. Alright. Now, can you tell me about this toy? What's this? A teddy bear. What can you say about this toy? Brown, soft, cute. This teddy bear is brown. It is soft. It is cute. Can you tell me about this toy? Yes, it's purple. Yes, it's small. And it's beautiful. Alright, I hope that you are able to describe about your toys using the adjectives that we have learned. Why don't we make our own doll? You like that? Let's make our own doll, my DIY doll. You need colored papers, scissors, glue, toilet paper roll, colored pen, button, optional. Optional means if you have it, that's okay, but if you don't, that's still okay. You can use other things to create. Yarn, optional. Cloth, optional. And also you need creativity. Let's watch this video.
Hello everyone! How are you today? Today we are going to learn how to make your own doll. Let's start! Okay, what we need is number 1, toilet paper roll. Do you have toilet paper rolls? Then 2 pieces of paper, white and any color of your choice. I like orange, so I'm going to pick 2 pieces of papers, white and orange. Can you give me the paper? Okay. Next, glue and scissors. Glue and scissors. Next, buttons. Can you give me the buttons?
1 and 2.
2 buttons for the eyes. And last one, yarn.
Cat.
First, take the white paper and fold it into 2 parts. Fold it into 2 parts.
2 parts.
Like this. And after that, can you see the line here? You cut along this line. Alright, now I have cut this piece of paper, and what we do next is we must put some glue on it and roll. For the extra paper here, you just simply cut it.
Put a glue in a
Put
paper.
some glue
Put some glue
on the paper
on the paper and
and put
roll
the paper roll and
put the paper roll and
roll it.
you can roll it.
Yes.
Put the gum some more
Put
and
the glue
roll.
some more and roll. Okay, be careful when you are using this glue because it's going to stick on your hand. So you might want to ask your parents or your brothers or sisters to help you. Okay, so this is the extra. So what you do is just simply cut it.
Cut the paper.
Yes, cut the extra paper. Okay. Next, we are going to use this yarn to make the hair. Blue hair. Can you see this? I have cut it, and what you do is you just stick not around the toilet paper roll, but just some part of it. Okay, watch. Okay, I make it a little bit short. Okay, then what I do is just put some glue here like this, and quickly take this paper roll, toilet paper roll, and just roll it. Okay, and please let it dry for a little while. Ta-da! Now, what are we going to do next? What about we put a hat?
We put a hat.
For the hat, what you need is a piece of colored paper, any color that you like, and a plastic bowl. Why? Because we are going to draw 2 circles here, and then cut the circles. Okay, can you see?
2 circles.
Yes, 2 circles, then we cut along the line. Okay,
2 little circles.
Yes, 2 circles, and this one we are going to glue on top of this. Okay, okay, we are going to put the glue around this. Once again, you have to be very careful because this glue is super adhesive. It's going to stick on your finger. So you have to wash your finger after you have done.
This
right?
is uhu gum.
Yes, uhu glue. So here you have put some glue on it. Then you just put on the circle, the first one, like this. Okay. Okay, but it doesn't look like hat, right? This is a very silly hat. Okay, what are we going to do with this one?
Let's see.
Okay, first of all, cut in the middle here. Okay, can you see? And what you do is you flip it inside and it becomes a cone shape like this. Then what you do is you put some glue and attach like this. Okay, this is the cone shape. So what you do is you put some glue around here.
Around.
Yes, put some glue around here. Okay, be careful. You can ask your parents or your brothers, your sisters to help you. Okay. Okay, now just put it on top and let it dry a little bit. Okay, let it dry a little bit. Okay,
He be a hat.
now here's the hat. Alright, now do you still remember the button? So if you have buttons, you can use it to make the eyes, or if you want it to look better, maybe you can put this little eyes.
Yes, the little eyes is look
What about
beautiful.
the nose and the mouth?
Let's
just
make-
draw using, what is this?
This is a color pencil marker.
This is not a color pencil, this is watercolor pen or maybe magic pen. Okay?
Magic pen is
I use
good.
black and
Red.
red. Yes, very good. Okay, now I'm going to put the eyes.
Put the glue and put the eyes on it.
Can you help me, Iman?
Yes.
Okay, be careful.
Oh,
Don't worry, you can wash your hand afterwards.
oh me.
Okay, another one.
Another one. Can do. Oh, look good. It's look good.
Ta-da! Oh,
Oh.
but I need to draw the
Can
nose.
I draw? Can I draw?
Let me draw first. Afterward, you can do it on your own.
I want to do his mouth.
This is a girl doll.
Like this. The
Okay. Can you see?
Tongue.
Alright.
Put a little bit tongue.
So, here's our doll. You can decorate the hat if you want to make it look more beautiful. Alright, so here's the hat. Okay. Oh yes, I want to add one more thing. If you want to make your doll to be more interesting, more beautiful, more fun, if you have extra cloth, you can use it to make it skirt. You can make the skirt. Okay? Ta-da! See?
It's already done.
Yes.
Look beautiful.
Yes. I think you can do better than this.
Yes.
Alright. I hope you enjoy learning with me and
Don't forget to subscribe and share.
bye!